This segment is sponsored by the law offices of David L. Carrier. Estate planning and elder law can be very confusing, but it's also very important. David Carrier is here to help us this morning.
That is correct.
Okay, so you're kind of bringing us back to the basics, which is good because I don't know what half these words even mean.
Okay, so everybody's all worried about probate. Probate's terrible,
Yes.
awful, right? Okay, so here's how probate works.
Okay.
Okay, this is you, Brittany. Back when remember when you
I've
were a
always
redhead?
wanted to have red hair.
Oh. So here you are, and you go into, and this is how most people go through life. Okay. If you've ever gone to Myers and or supermarket, I guess we can't say Myers. Myers Thrifty Acres. You can't say that. You shouldn't say Myers Thrifty Acres. You say supermarket.
Yeah. Okay.
Generic supermarket. Some people go to Spartan stores too, I guess. But anyway, so here you are, Super Walmart. There you go. Anyway, so here you are. You're in the supermarket.
Okay.
And before you know it, you've got a pile of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And this is how most people go through life. Okay. They're like, oh, I've got a whole bunch of stuff, and it's all in my name.
I got it. Yeah.
Right. Which is fine as far as it goes. But if you slip and fall, what happens to your stuff? Oh my goodness, what a mess. Terrible. And then, so what do they do at the supermarket?
They send somebody to clean.
They call out Justin Bieber, right? So out comes Justin to clean up your mess. In real life, this is your house, this is your money, this is all that kind of stuff. And Justin, of course, is the probate court.
Okay.
We like to call him David M. Murkowski. Anyway,
Nice.
So that's Justin. He's out there to clean up the mess. The job of the probate court is to clean up your mess.
Okay.
People say, oh, I have a will, so I don't have to worry about probate. And the answer is not true, because the will is simply instructions to this guy
on
about
how to clean it up?
Correct.
Okay.
Exactly
All right.
Now we're simplifying here. You get that?
Yes,
This is not the law school version.
Yes, which I appreciate because I can understand this.
All right. Now, what many people will do is they will create the living trust. Bah, 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 bah. This is the living trust, and here's how it's supposed to work. What you're supposed to do is you take all that stuff that you've been carrying around. Mm-hmm. So here's Brittany said, oh my goodness, I don't want that stuff to slip and fall, so I'll take my stuff and I will put it into the trust.
Perfect.
And now life is one sweet song, right? Because it's my stuff, I can take it out, I can put it in, I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
And if I slip and fall, whoopsies, look at all the stuff is still in the trust.
So we don't need that guy.
Nothing. Hey, I think I'll go sing another song or have another cigarette or whatever. Okay?
Okay.
So that's how trusts are supposed to work.
Okay.
But now here's the dirty little secret. This is why 96% of trusts fail. And the reason is when you go to the lawyer and you get that poofy binder, maybe it's leather or whatever.
Yeah.
And you think, oh my goodness, I'm all set. Well, you still didn't put your stuff into the trust.
So you have it, it's just not in it.
You have it, and it's like, oops, I twisted your head around. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Anyway, there we go.
It happens to me all the time.
Okay. So I've got my trust. Maybe I've got my house in it, but not if I refinanced, not if I put an equity line of credit on it, not if I bought a new house, then the house will be out too.
Okay.
And so what you're supposed to do is put the stuff in the trust. Most people don't do this. 96% of the time, just a study on this, 96% of the time, the stuff is not in the trust. So you've got this trust. Yes, it's wonderful, but whoopsies, you slip and fall. Guess what? You're still going through probate.
Okay.
Now, this is the way it works. Sorry, EMTs for you, right? And now we still have to clean up the mess.
Yeah. Okay, now you really want to make sure that people make sure all of their stuff gets into the trust.
Correct.
And you kind of have something really exciting going on to help people do that.
That's right. Well, the way we do it is we have the dirty dozen. We have a dozen professionals, financial professionals mostly, in our trust funding center, okay? All they do all day is put people's stuff into the trust because we know that regular folks aren't going to do it.
Yeah.
So here's the, we did a little challenge, right? And this was for our clients. And we said, okay, have your friends come in, we'll review their trust, and if it's not funded, if it is funded, you'll get a $50 gift certificate to an area restaurant.
So if you're all set, you get $50.
You get $50. Okay. Yeah, well, it's a gift card.
Yeah.
Anna's house and a bunch of other places. But we have so many leftover gift cards.
Ooh.
We changed the deal. So here's the new deal. If you and you don't have to be referred. This is clients will bring friends in.
Come on in.
So just come on in, and if you just review the thing, you'll get a $50 gift card. It takes you 10, 15 minutes.
Perfect.
And we'll take care of it for you.
Wonderful. There's also some workshops coming up as well. You can find all the info on our website. Just go to WZZM13.com under the exchange. Have a great day.